Walk to Izzy.
Uh-oh. Here, walk to Mommy.
Walk to Mama.
Go to Mommy.
Yay! She gotcha. Okay, let's try it again.
I want to do it.
Okay, Izzy, stand over there and let him walk to you.
Walk to Mommy.
Come here, buddy.
Walk to Mommy. No, don't hold on. Hold on.
Hold on, Izzy. Don't grab him, okay?
Let him finish.
Levi, yay!
Okay, walk to Mommy. Look, stand up. Walk to Mommy.
Come on, buddy. Izzy.
Okay, stay over there.
Just stay over here and then walk to you. Come on, buddy.
Stand up. Okay, now walk to Mommy. He sees her coming over.
Well, baby, you have to sit still and you
have
keep
to sit
grabbing him.
still.
Yay! Good job. Good
Do it
job.
for Mommy. Okay, ready? Okay, walk to Mommy.
Levi, come here.
Ready? Walk to Mommy. Hold on.
Izzy, get out of his way.
I'm going to walk too. I want to walk too.
Okay.
So walk to me.